Skills for Life project is really about giving women opportunities and allowing them to have a chance to do something they might not have done before. It's essentially about moving people closer to employment, but how we do that is we allow women to engage with work experience, placements, training, coaching sessions and confidence building, and it's that makes the difference. For a lot of women, it's just about giving them opportunities to take part in different activities, to take part in work experience and things that they thought they might not have been able to do. And then you start to really see women's confidence grow, and they begin to be able to speak out loud and engage with the world and have something to say.
Before joining this project, I was really, my confidence was non-existent, my self-esteem was really zero. And then I came on board and it's like, look at me now.
I'm very happy to have been part of this exciting program. So I have learned a lot of things that I consider very, very important for me.
I really enjoyed to be in Oxfam project. It helped me to build my confidence and earn more experience.
We're able to work with women one-to-one over a period of time, so we can engage with people quite closely and along their journey. So that can mean that sometimes there might be other stuff going on for somebody that's not employment related, but we're also able to support them with that. So it's started to sort of raise their aspirations about what they might be able to do and let them think a little bit, not just about surviving now, but think about their futures.
The work placement at the museum gave me the face-to-face experience that I lacked. So yeah, it would definitely help me in the future.
So we're here in the Oxfam boutique, and this has been a great place for some of our women to have a work experience opportunity. So we've got a number of women who are either currently doing a placement here or have done a placement here.
I made lots of new friends from the project. I enjoyed the coaching sessions, which made me very confident. Oh, my life has changed so much, really.
Since coming to the project and some of the training that I've had, it's helped me build my confidence. I feel now I can get a job. I've got more to offer and more experience from the work placement. Yeah, definitely feel good.
Right now, I would say it means everything to me. It's encompassed everything I've wanted. Childcare, getting a job, getting my confidence.
If you help a woman, you're helping the entire family.
Women can do lots, and especially, women with kids. So it's not only mother, but she can offer lots of things for the society.
So what is the best thing about this project?
The women, all the women I've met, they're amazing women with different stories. Yeah, actually for me that's it, just meeting different amazing women.
And I get more experience, yeah. And I feeling I am strong than before.
Whenever I offer the job, I can do it.